Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to set up video conferencing. First, select a suitable platform like Zoom or Google Meet, considering features and participant limits. Next, verify your internet connection. A stable connection of at least 10 megabits per second upload and download is ideal for smooth video. Finally, place your camera at eye level, about 2 to 3 feet away, to create a more natural and engaging presence for your audience. Now, let's optimize your audio and visuals. A good external microphone significantly improves sound clarity, making your voice easily understood. Position your primary light source directly in front of you, illuminating your face evenly. Also, choose a quiet location, free from interruptions, to ensure everyone can concentrate on the discussion without unnecessary background sounds. Before joining, conduct essential software and hardware checks. Download and install the specific application for your chosen platform, ensuring it is the latest version. Always test your camera, microphone, and speakers using the platform's built-in tools to confirm they are working correctly. Additionally, close any unused programs to free up your computer's processing power, preventing lag or freezing during your call. To ensure a professional and smooth experience, follow these best practices. Always mute your microphone when you are not actively speaking. This prevents background noise and echoes from disrupting others. Try to look directly into your camera, simulating eye contact, which helps engage your audience. If your physical background is cluttered, use a simple, professional virtual background to maintain focus.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.